Today we have the Canoly Masticating Juicer Je-75B. It has big feeding mouth, safety lock and cooling system, low noise and fully copper motor, juice, pomance separation. We're going to do a test on how loud it is and how much juice yields from the product. All right, so here we go. First, out of the box, okay, well, you might need two people to get it out of the box, so just have somebody on standby. All right, okay, we did it. Okay. Wow, look at that. It comes with two buckets. Woo, I'm a fan already. Look, we got one, and there's number two. They have measurements on them. Let's go, people. Oh, a pusher. Oh. Okay. All right, and look at that. Nice and clean looking. It comes with a brush. What? Almost jizzed on my pants. All right, so then here's the actual machine. You know, it is kind of lightweight. I do like that it has an organizer on the bottom. That's always nice to have if you're a fanatic like me when it comes to keeping things organized. But and that's what it is out of the box. Boom, boom, boom. No tools required. Gotta love it. And I'm actually gonna use a dB tester to see what the noise level is actually. Okay, so it looks like you snap it on like this, you crank it, maybe. Yeah, definitely like that. Alright, so this is where you might need to read the instructions. Okay, so it's actually a sideways machine. Or maybe I'm just looking at it sideways. Who knows, whatever the case. Yeah, twist on like that. Bam. Okay. It has a button, 1, 2. Okay, so it looks like it has one speed and then the reverse button. That seems to be pretty standard. Most of the juicers that I've used in the past, they have 2 speeds, like a high and a low, or on and off, so. All right, let's check this thing out. But first, you don't need to see this part, but I'm gonna wash it because I like sanitary type things. Okay, but yeah, let's get to it. So I just finished washing it, and it's pretty cool how tightly this is like designed to fit together with the rubber gasket and caulking to keep it in place. I like that. And I also like the way this juicer latch releases. You basically put 2 fingers on both sides or 1 finger on each side, and it releases the latch so that the juice can flow through here. I like that. That's different from other juices I've had. Now we are done with washing the machine here, and I'm going to reassemble it. It's pretty straightforward to assemble. You just take this guy here, it has notches right here, line it up, and that sits there. How does this go on? There we go, okay. So this part slides in, and then this is pretty much in the middle of those 2 spouts. You put this on here so that it sits in place, it's seated. Based on calculations, the smaller catcher is for the pulp and the big catcher is for the juice. Okay, and this is the setup here. Smaller basket where the pulp catcher is, and the bigger basket, larger basket, where the juice catcher is.